What's up, YouTube? This is 𝗖cie with 𝗖cie. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to jump back on camera today to give you another Herculist Plus review. And I want to show you a strategy that you can use to market your primary business. Herculist Plus is a traffic exchange, and meaning with traffic exchange, for those that don't know, it's when you view other marketers' opportunity in exchange for them to view your opportunity. So, it's always based on credit. So the more people that you see, more opportunities that you view and visit, the more credits that you can receive to promote your business, for your business to be able to get seen in front of a lot of people to gain that exposure. So that's what Herculist Plus, it is just one of the traffic exchanges that I use. I got a couple more in other videos. I'll let you guys know what I'm using, but this is very, very helpful. It helped me out a lot. I just start to see lots of results dealing with this, and I'm gonna show you a trick and strategy that you can use to be able to get multiples of visitors to your page. And what I want to let you guys know, because a lot of people, I know you out there, you probably may struggle with traffic exchange, and you probably thinking in your mind like, a lot of this stuff doesn't work. The quality of the traffic is poor. It's not really high quality. You don't think anybody really checking out your opportunity. Well, I'm here to tell you that Herculist Plus do work. It does work. The thing about it is you got to be able to know how to make it work. And one of the issues that marketers do when they get on traffic exchanges, it don't even have to necessarily be Herculist Plus, or it could be any other traffic exchange. I even also put a 𝗖cie as well, because 𝗖cie and traffic exchanges work hand in hand. The number one thing what I had to learn, and I had to really learn this too, is when you get on these traffic exchanges, you must promote something different other than your business opportunity. And I know you gotta look at me kind of crazy about that. And the reason why I say this is because everyone that's on these traffic exchanges, they're promoting their business opportunity as well, so they can be able to get exposure for their opportunity. So if they're all promoting their opportunity, where is it any room for you to really get your opportunity exposed? It's something to think about, right? So what can you do to beat that? What can you do to beat out the 98% that's promoting their opportunity or their biz ops on this platform? And the one thing that you can do is to promote a way for people to generate leads, traffic to their business, because everyone be on these free platforms. So the best way to go about that is promote any lead generation, a way for people to get leads, any type of value that can help people in their business. So that's one way, that's the best way that you can promote on any traffic exchange or 𝗖cie. So that's what Herculist Plus comes in effect. And there's so many different ways you could be able to get your business out there. You have one of the best ways where you can promote to like about 200,000 members is through submitting these emails. Then you have prime ads. Now what prime ads are, basically, these are where you could post your ad, and let's say for instance a person logs in, your page could be the first one that these people see when you come into the system. So that's very powerful. The main thing I wanted to talk about is in the zone. Alright, so it's loading up right now, and I'm going to show you what in the zone is. You can see right here, you see this is a prime ad, as you can see. So just think about your ad when you first load in. You can see your ad pop up, or no, visitors can see your ad. That's what's the incredible. And You know, Prime ads, they have like different package prices that you can see back there to get your ad to a lot of visitors. You know, a certain amount depending on the price package that you pay for. So, you know, I would hit continue to the zone. And you can see right here, you can see this timer. And every time the timer goes off, you see someone's site. So this is the perfect example of traffic exchange. You see how you viewing someone else's site. And every time you view someone else's site, you get to earn a view for people to view yours. You see, I click on it again. And the timer goes down. Now, as you can see, my timer says 5 seconds. That's because I'm a gold member. You know, once you you upgrade to the gold member, you get 50% commissions, and you also get, you know, those 5 second timers where you don't have to wait a while to click on another ad. I believe for a free member it's about 20 seconds or 15 seconds. I forgot which one it is, but you know, you have to wait to click on the next to view the next site. Right over here, you can see where it says upgrade when you want to upgrade to either pro or gold. Right here, you click on that. Right here is your stats. So, you know, you click on this little film thing. This gives you a little tutorial about, you know, what the inner zone is, how it operates. This right here, this is where you put in your affiliate link. Right here, you know, you click change URL. You can see right here, this is where it shows where the amount of views that you receive over time. This should show you how many views that you earn a day by clicking, you know, those different pages. What I was showing you, this is the total earned since you've been on the site. Pending views is the views that haven't been seen yet. Those people that's starting to that haven't came across your site yet, but they're pending for the time that you put in, all the, you know, the different opportunities that you view. They'll be stored in the pending views. So as you can see right here, I got 7.5 pending views. So it's still gonna be, even if I didn't touch the site or came back and logged in, 7 views is gonna be shown to 7 people. So that's incredible. Herculist. Herculist is another way you could be able to get exposure. You can see right here, power blur. This is where, you know, anywhere on the site where your ad can be seen, you know, people could click on it, get like a certain amount of credits. Your ad could be on the side where people log in. So it's so many ways that people can get, you know, that can see your ads. And you know, you get these by credits. So when I click over on Herculist, you know, I get these type of credits, you know, as well. So how I get these credits is, like I said before, you have to really view. So like for instance, you see currently these are the amount of points that I can click. Let's say, because with the mailers, it's 24 hours that you only can send one mailer out per day. Now, if you have keys is where you could purchase. You could purchase these keys so you could be able to mail out more. Depending on how many keys you got, you could mail out more. Other than your daily once 24-hour mailers, you can mail out more. So that's very powerful. So let's say for instance I click on this, 35 credits. And this is also have a timer as well. Same rule applies if you're not upgraded to the gold membership. You know, you're gonna have to wait a little longer to get to the next site. But you get, like, you know, with the with gold, you get 35 credits added, you know, to your site. So that's very, very powerful. So, and you get to use these points to send out more mailers, you know, send out Herculist. You know, that's the benefit of that. You know, just in case if you don't have the money, you know, you just have to spend your time, you know, invest into your time to go. Now, if you got the money, by all means, they got a section where you could be able to buy solo ads and send it out, mail up to a lot of people. You know, thousands of people. So this is very powerful strategy that you could use to market any business, but mainly you want to market, just to recap, you want to market lead generation opportunities. That way you could be able to leverage those lead opportunities, because people need leads every day. You market those leads, you come up on there with those leads, earn commissions, then you can take that money and be able to market with that, you know, incentive. You could be able to give out, you know, other people, you know, your opportunities. So that's all I really wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to show you this different strategy that you can use to market your business with Traffic Exchange. And I use this site a lot. So if you'd like to get started with Herculist Plus, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions that you may want to ask about, you can always leave your comments in the comment section. All right, that's it for today. This is 𝗖𝗁 with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.